guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious jerk shrimp taco along with a delicious avocado and mango salsa. So for this we are going to be using a pinch of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican jerk. This is spicy but you can use the mild one if you wish, and I have some cilantro, and I will be using half of this onion, half of this mango, and 1 avocado, 1 lime, and 2 Roma tomatoes, and about 25 deveined cleaned shrimp. And I'll be using half of this lettuce, and I will be using some hard shell and some soft shell taco shells, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started you want to go ahead and take your cinnamon and take your jerk. For some reason I just love adding cinnamon to my jerk when I make jerk anything. And you want to go ahead and take that olive oil, and we are going to season our shrimp. The jerk actually have enough salt that I will not be adding any more salt to the seasoning. Yeah, the jerk have plenty of salt. So you want to just make sure you mix and marinate this. And we are going to stick it in the fridge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze just a little bit of lime juice, about a teaspoon of lime juice. And now you want to put some type of saran wrap or cover on top of it and place it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. So meanwhile we're going to go ahead and start making our salsa. So you want to go ahead and take your tomatoes, which is already clean, and cut the top and the end. I will not be de-seeding my tomatoes. I want the seeds and everything in there, and just cut them to whatever size that you want. If you guys are wondering, these knives are Pioneer Woman, but it says they should not chip, but the front of mine already chipped, like two big pieces are missing. I can't talk today for anything. But yeah, if you have knives and you want me to do a review on any knife for you, whoever's watching, make sure you contact me so I can send you my address so you can send me some knives. I am a cook. I'm always in need of knife or whatever goes in my kitchen. I will gladly do some reviews on any products anybody have for me to do reviews on. I know I hardly say stuff like that, but guys, I wouldn't mind doing reviews on stuff. I've done a couple, so I wouldn't mind doing reviews at all. Speaking of reviews, if you haven't, please go follow my Facebook page and come snap with me on Snapchat. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So all I did to my mangoes was I put some cut, whatever size you want again, and then we are going to put our mangoes right in here. Just like this. This is such a refreshing summer quick meal. Except when I make this, I usually make like regular tacos for my kids and my husband, because my husband does not like shrimp whatsoever. So I have to make regular ground beef tacos for him. So now take your avocado, just twist. Same thing I did to my mangoes, I'm doing to my avocado. And it should come right off. The avocado should be easier. just like this. So of course I'm going to do it to the other one, but I just want to speed up this video. So now my cilantro went in there, and I'm going to cut my onions. You can slice some, cube them, dice them, whatever you want, whatever you like, you can do. But I'm going to cut mine into some smaller onion bites. And I'm going to save the rest here and throw that in there. And if you like red onions, you can use red onion instead of this onion, or you can simply leave the onion out, period. So now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze my lime juice. Both of my lime juice. This is going to be so tasty with that spicy jerk. And I'm going to sprinkle in some salt. The amount of salt you use is totally up to your own liking. And just mix everything together. If you want your spicy, you can definitely add some jalapenos in here, whatever you want, and give it a taste. That mango tastes so good with that salt and lime juice. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this in my fridge, and we can start grilling our shrimp. Okay guys, I have my stove set to medium high. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my shrimp, and I am using an iron skillet. I want it to cook really fast, but I want it to have that grilled mark on it a little bit without using the grill. It's going to smell really spicy because that jerk is really spicy. And you know, shrimp cook really fast, so we're going to cook these for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on both sides. Once it turns pink, you know that your shrimp is done cooking. Okay guys, I started turning my shrimp. As you can see, it has that almost grill mark, but not really to it, that indoor grill mark, I guess you could say. But all I'm doing is splitting them and letting them cook another 2 minutes, and then we can start assembling our tacos. Alright guys, now it's time to put my tacos together. I went ahead and shredded my lettuce. So I'm gonna put some lettuce on the bottom. You guys remember I said I like the hard shells. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of lettuce in the bottom. And I am going to put like 2 shrimp, and then put some salsa. Make sure I get some mangoes in there to balance that sweet with that heat. And I don't know about you guys, but I love me some taco sauce, so I'm going to put a little bit of taco sauce on mine. And here you have yourself a beautiful taco. If you want, you can definitely sprinkle some cheese on top, but I don't care for cheese on top of mine. You can put some sour cream to make it even prettier, but this is looking good and delicious for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. So crunchy. And that's why I love me a hard shell taco. But please guys, please make sure you give this recipe a try. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And you guys already know, please share the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, comment, like, and share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.